Good morning, everyone. So today we're in a town called Alleppey, also known as Alleppey. Some places in India have old names and new names. They're changing them for some reason. So we've come to this place because this is where you access the famous Kerala backwaters. That's why everybody comes to this place, which is probably the most famous attraction in Kerala. Spend the day cruising around the rivers and lakes here. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing later on. Right now we're just in this alleyway. We're just staying a bit down there in a pretty cool spot. We're very close to the beach, so we're just heading to the beach now. I'll probably just show it you quickly, and yeah, we're just gonna have some breakfast and then we'll head out and do the backwater tour. So we just had a very cheap breakfast slash lunch. That was 150 rupees for 2 people, and that was with drinks. And now we're on the beach here. So as you can see, it's actually a very white beach. The sand is a lot clearer than even the places we went in Kokana and Goa, but there's just one big issue. So if you look, it's literally just filled with trash everywhere. Just loads of paper, plastic, bottles. So all these little pieces that you see in here is just trash. So yeah, the whole thing is just full of trash. It's a shame. So it's not really a beach that people come to for sunbathing, so I guess that's why they don't maintain it at all. And it's actually quite a nice beach, so yeah, maybe if they did clean it, people would sunbathe there, but yeah, apparently not. Anyway, we're not sticking around here. Carol just stayed back there because it's hot as hell, so she's in the shade. So in about an hour we're going to head to the backwaters, and then yeah, hopefully it's not as hot in the boat. We'll see. Okay, hello.
Hello. Where are you from?
Brazil.
Brazil.
Brazil, yeah.
Neymar.
Neymar. Wow, what a nice boat, right? I didn't realize we'd have the beds.
Yeah, it's very nice, beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, look. Got the nice flowers. Here you can see another boat passing by. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a good trip. So just some information on the tour that we're doing. We arranged it through our hotel, and it's going to be this private boat here. So only for me and Carol, and it was 1,800 rupees for the both of us. But it's a 4-hour trip. There's no food or anything included, but I think you can stop at places to eat. We decided not to do the regular houseboat because we actually read a lot of negative reviews about it. People say that the houseboat, because it's so big, it can only really go down the main lake and the big rivers, whereas if you get a small boat like this, you get to go down all these little streams and yeah, see more of the local villages and stuff. So that's why we decided to do this. So if you look here, I think that's the regular houseboat, the big one. We're in this kind of boat right here, so yeah, you can see the size difference. So we just stopped quickly at the side of one of the rivers. You can see there's this little store here. Along this river you have this cool walkway. Probably cool to do a bike ride around here. And you can see where all the locals live in these little houses. So we're still on the main big river at the moment, so there's still houseboats and stuff, but yeah, already looks very beautiful either way. Very comfortable, these things, but you can't lie down too much because you'll probably fall asleep just floating. Yeah, so now we're going down one of the little rivers that the big boats don't come down. So yeah, I don't think we're going to see that many boats here. You do see all different kinds of boats here though, all different shapes, sizes. There's even some party boats, I didn't know that. I wouldn't want to do that on this river, but yeah, we had some big boats with loud music going by. Not really what I want in this kind of place though. So look at this old dude here in his little canoe, paddling away. He looks strong. Look at all those muscles. You falling asleep, Carol? Almost. Lazy boat ride. Alright, we're just making a quick stop to get some masala chai tea. Got one of the Riverside restaurants here. Whoa. Thank you. Go. Hello, you have masala chai?
Masala chai?
Yeah? Do you want one? Okay, two.
Two masala chai?
Yeah.
You don't want lunch?
No, no food.
Oh, no food?
We already ate.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Very hot. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Really? Where? Whoa, hold this guy. He's trained. Can you pet him? Can you pet?
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah? Whoa.
It's an eagle, right?
Eagle.
Oh, okay.
He always stays here?
Ah, stay here.
Really? Wow. You want as well, Carol?
Okay.
Alright, 1 second.
Like this?
Oh. He wants to get close. That's crazy. They have a name?
It's a പേര്
What?
കൃഷ്ണചന്ദ്രൻ.
I can't say that. Eagle. No way. That was unexpected. So we asked the guy if we could just walk a little bit near the restaurant. Yeah, I don't think we'll get any other opportunities to walk, so yeah, it's just one of the little dirt walkways beside the river.
See the little bananas?
Oh, it's a banana tree, right?
Yeah.
Not ready to eat those though. Time to make our escape, Carol. The canoe.
With the little boat.
Yeah, little boat, little canoe. So it's probably been way better than we expected even. I didn't realize there'd be so many areas where locals would be living with the houses along the river. They're pretty much living everywhere here. I thought it'd be specific areas where they'd live, but yeah, pretty much everywhere along the river has walkways and houses. So yeah, just completely different to anything I've seen before. Awesome experience. So the guy said I could stand up at the top of the boat, so give you a view all the way around here. So I read that the Kerala Backwaters is 900 kilometers, I think, of just these rivers and lakes. So yeah, absolutely gigantic. And it's also a mix of man-made and natural. I think it's more natural than man-made, but yeah, there are some man-made areas. It's hard to tell which ones. I mean, a lot of them do have concrete barriers going along, so yeah, maybe even this is man-made, I don't know. But yeah, it's just all beautiful here. We're back at our hotel room now. So this place is called Deja Vu Heritage. We found it on Airbnb and it was $15, a really good price. I'll just show it you quickly. So it's quite a big, spacious room. Beds are pretty comfortable. The important thing about this one is it has AC. We haven't had AC for a while. And then through here we have this pretty unusual door to the bathroom. So this is actually a really nice bathroom compared to other places that we stay. Nothing too special though, but yeah, a lot nicer than other places. So we actually read that this is like a European place or something, hundreds of years old, where ship captains would stay from the ships that were arriving in the port here in Kerala. So apparently they would stay here, so I guess it was a pretty important building or something. The location's really good. We're close to the beach, even though the beach here isn't that nice. And we're also really close to the backwaters. It was only like, I guess 5-10 minute rickshaw drive, so yeah, really good location. Another amazing day here in Kerala. Munnar and here in the backwaters, just been unbelievable nature, some of the best nature places that I've ever been. And today was probably the best river cruise we've ever done in any country, so I can definitely see why it's so famous. And yeah, you definitely got to do it if you come into Kerala, that's for sure. And I think the next video is going to be in Varkala, a beach destination. We haven't really been to any beaches properly here in Kerala yet, so it's going to be good to check out how the beaches are here. People say that's a cool spot, so that will be the next video. Stay tuned for that. Drop a like to support us, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.